What is going on, guys? It is Matthew bringing another video here today. Before I start this video, I just want to thank everybody for the support. I did talk to Censor, and the date of the stream is still being decided, and the time also. But yes, it is confirmed happening. I am streaming with Face Censor. It's going to be lit. He actually talked about it on one of his streams for like 30 seconds, so I'll roll the clip right now.
Yeah, I saw that Matthew Jackson got the 50 likes. I won't go like stream Minecraft myself, but I'll definitely go and play with him.
Yo, that's freaking crazy. So thank you so much for everybody that liked that video and that watched the video, and also to everybody that subscribed. Literally in like one day I gained 60 subscribers, and I got like 400 something views on that video. It's not my most viewed video, but it definitely made an impact on the analytics on my channel, so thank you guys so much for that. Alright, I just wanted to say thank you. So thank you once again. But now let's get into this Q&A. G Fuel should sponsor me. Alright guys, so I actually did get quite a few questions. I'm sorry if I didn't pick your question. There's like probably over like 30 questions here. So I'm just gonna pick the ones that I think will make this video the best. So let's just start off with the first question. Alright, so this first question, the question is, what are you gonna do with your friends when you're famous? Okay, so my friends, bro, like, I love my friends. If you're my friend, bro, you're a real one. I like how this question is worded. It said when I'm famous. If I'm famous, I'm assuming some money will come with that. So hopefully I'll have enough to probably pay off my some of my friends' college tuition. Or not college tuition, like student loans or all that stuff, just so they don't have to deal with that. I'll definitely fly a few of my friends out here. Not like all of them, just like the close ones. And honestly, like most of my closest friends right now, they're doing the same thing I'm doing. They're not in the position I am, but they're working up to it. So shout out to my friends doing that. But yeah, honestly, with my closest friends, I'll probably fly them out to LA. Hopefully I can convince them to start a YouTube channel. Hopefully I can convince them to start streaming on Twitch, because that'd be crazy. My biggest thing is I don't want to give any handouts, but I'm willing to help people reach their goals. In the end, I feel like everybody should feel like they have to work for what they want to do. You know what I'm saying? Because like what I'm doing right now, bro, I've been uploading to this channel for probably 4+ years, and honestly, like this grind, I'm not doing it for money. I'm doing it because I like love doing it, and yeah, potentially in the future I could get a career off this. You shouldn't bandwagon off somebody else's fame. That's like basically what I'm trying to say. But yeah, I'll definitely be taking care of my friends. All right, the next question is my most embarrassing moment. All right, I'm gonna keep this short just because this video is gonna be long as hell if I go through all these questions with a long ass story. Basically, it's when I still lived in Italy. I was in middle school, and I was in class, and some dumbass was chewing gum, and they decided to put that gum in my hair. And it wasn't like that thick Hubba Bubba shit, bro. That shit was like the 5 gum. And if y'all ever chewed 5 gum, it's like really thin when you chew it. So that shit got all in my hair. Bro, my dumbass didn't go to the nurse or anything. I had somebody cut that shit out with scissors. Yeah, so basically at the end of that situation, I had like a really big bald spot like right here. It grew back eventually, so we're chilling. All right, the next question is, if you were to date any celebrity, who would it be? Well, that's honestly like really a freaking tough question. I'd probably, bro, honestly, like I don't even know. I mean, I'm honestly like 100% being dead honest. I'm not really interested in any celebrities. Honestly, if I had to pick one, I mean, obviously, I'm just deciding like based off looks. Just cause I don't know any of these celebrities. I'd probably go with, what's that one actor that played Harley Quinn in freaking, what's it called? I'll Google it real quick. Margot Robbie. Her, bro, she's kind of bad. I'm not gonna lie. All right, the next question is, if you could know the absolute and total truth to one question, what question would you ask? Honestly, bro, I'm not like a religious freak or anything. But I just want to know what happens after you die, just so I know like if I'm like doing some shit right now that'll like destroy the afterlife for me, you know what I'm saying? Like I just want to make sure that shit's taken care of. So yeah, I mean, if I could ask any question, know the answer, it'd be what happens after you die. All right, the next question is, what's the craziest night of my life? In detail, oh god. Before I say this story, I just want to clarify, this is when I still lived in Germany, so drinking is legal at the age of 16. So it wasn't underage drinking, I promise. So that night was actually my 17th birthday, and that was just a whole shit show, bro. I mean, not like a bad shit show, like it was a lit shit show. So I went to a hookah bar with like a lot of my friends, and we were just slamming drinks, and then at midnight, bro, we just slammed more drinks. And then I went out on the street. I remember this somehow. I went out on the street and I was like, yo, it's my birthday, let's get it. And bro, some Germans just like hyped me up. They walked me into the bar and they just bought the whole squad hella shots. And bro, we just got so lit. But honestly, yeah, bro, I mean, I could go into a lot more detail, but like I said, this video, I'm not trying to make it like 30 minutes long by telling hella stories. That's basically like a summary. Whoever sent me this question, if you really want to know, just text me and I'll give you more details. Or if anybody watching this wants to know, I can maybe make a story time video out of it. But yeah, let's get into the next question. All right, the next question is, what inspired you or motivated you to move to California? So honestly, for those of y'all that don't know, I'm actually studying film in college. Trust me, I'm not going to college because I want to. It's just college was the only way I'd be able to get out here, but I figured it would help my YouTube video quality. It's my dream to make a career out of this, and also Twitch. And Twitch is a live streaming platform for those of y'all that don't know. I don't know if y'all know who Nadeshot is. I talked about him in my other vlogs earlier. Just seeing Nadeshot moving out here and just seeing what it was like, bro, there was no way I could pass this up. Then FaZe Clan, they got a house out in LA, and that just, bro, that basically solidified it. I was like, yo, it just seemed like everybody moving to LA instantly blew up on YouTube. So that's when I realized, like, yo, if I really want to make a living and career out of this, I have to move to LA. And also, being here studying film, I mean, what better spot than Los Angeles? I'm like 10 minutes from Hollywood. So, I mean, it all made sense. This place is literally like gorgeous. So, honestly, I've lived all over the world. I've lived in Iowa, like Pennsylvania, Italy, Germany, and now like Los Angeles. I can easily say Los Angeles is the most beautiful place I lived. So I probably wouldn't give this place up for anything. The next question is, what is my girl's name? I don't have a girlfriend. I'm not really looking for one right now. I'm kind of just trying to stay like on my grind and keep my head straight. After I'm able to support myself, maybe I'll consider getting a girlfriend, but honestly, I don't really see myself having a girlfriend in the near future just because I'm chilling and doing my own thing. And any free time I have, I really want to put into streaming or just editing videos or making videos like this. So yeah, let's get into the next question. All right, yo, the next question is, what is my wildest memory in Pennsylvania? So the wildest memory I have in Pennsylvania, it has to be the YF party. Basically, the YF party was just, they rented a house on the block and they just had a lit ass party. Yo, shout out to Blaine and Romeo and Jared and all y'all in YF. That shit was lit until it got shut down by the cops, but it's good. So I didn't get arrested. I mean, I don't think really anybody got arrested, but it's fine. The party was lit until it got shut down by the cops, but even after it got shut down by the cops, it was still chill, bro. I was still chilling, it was lit. So shout out to YF for that party. 100% confirmed, the YF party was my wildest night in Pennsylvania. Yo, alright, this question comes from Dalton. Shout out to Dalton, my homie Dalton. Are you gonna make vlogs? Of course, bro, I'm gonna make vlogs. Not daily vlogs, I'm just gonna vlog when I'm doing like cool shit. But bro, all my vlogs that I'm making, they're gonna be lit as hell, so make sure y'all subscribe and stay tuned for that because you will not regret it. The next question is, what is my favorite esports organization? My favorite esports organization, it honestly depends on the game. For Call of Duty, it's 100 Thieves. For League of Legends, 100 Thieves. CSGO, it was SK Gaming, but after SK Gaming stopped being an organization, I kind of stopped watching CSGO competitive esports. But recently, Nadeshot revealed that 100 Thieves is going to be getting a CSGO team next year, so probably be 100 Thieves for that. But then when it comes to content, I definitely have to say FaZe Clan. FaZe Clan, they're so outgoing with their fans, and overall, every person I've met from FaZe, they're amazing people. On top of that, their videos are fire. Alright, the next question is relating to No Value Streetwear. The question is, are you gonna restock the shorts or not? Stay tuned. Alright, the next question is coming from my homie Blaine. Shout out to Blaine, bro. I already shouted you out in this video, but you get 2 shout outs. You're special, Blaine. The question is, what's up? You gonna be playing 2K20? Listen, bro, I'm gonna be streaming 2K20 as soon as that shit drops. That's the plan at least. But as soon as Modern Warfare drops, I'm probably gonna get off 2K and I'll just be streaming Modern Warfare straight for the next probably until the game dies probably. I mean, Modern Warfare looks so lit. I played that shit. 2K20 looks lit also. But yeah, to answer your question, I'll definitely be playing and streaming 2K20. All right, the next question is from Dalton again. Shout out to Dalton. I already gave you 2 shout outs also. You're special, bro. He said, what are your predictions for the next year with your life channel and No Value Streetwear? So with my life, honestly, for the next year right now, I'm just gonna go through college. But on top of that, I'll be uploading and live streaming. This goes the way I want it. Hopefully by the first semester, if I'm able to sustain a living strictly off of YouTube and live streaming, I'll definitely drop out of college and I'll just keep doing this. If by first semester I'm not making a living off of this or Twitch, I'll probably keep going to school. As stupid as this sounds to say, it's my goal to drop out of college. I mean, if my dad's watching this, he'd probably kill me for saying that. But like, this right here is my goal in life. This is my plan. This is my dream. Of course, I'm still going to try my ass off for college because that's always plan B. If this doesn't work out for me, I'll always have a degree I can go back to. I'm definitely going to keep uploading. Hopefully by the end of this year, I'll have at least 500 subscribers. And then hopefully on Twitch, I'm 6 followers away from a Twitch affiliation. So if you're watching this right now, go follow my channel on Twitch right here. Twitch.tv/king_Kryptix. It's lit. I'm actually probably streaming right now. So check that out. And as for No Value, Fall Winter 19 is about to start. And when I tell you, literally only pure heat is dropping this season, I am not bullshitting you. I put it on my life, bro. When I swear No Value deserves like as many followers as Supreme, that's facts. Bro, No Value, what we're dropping this season, y'all haven't seen any of the designs. We haven't announced anything yet. We'll be announcing what's dropping in Fall Winter 19 in the next coming weeks. Bro, but it is straight heat, bro. We got like backpacks, we got t-shirts, we got long sleeves, hoodies, and a lot more like stuff I just can't say just because it hasn't been like, the samples aren't done. So I'm not going to confirm something if the sample for it's not done. Bro, but No Value's dropping heat this season and hopefully for spring summer 20. That's gonna be fire too. But yeah, bro, that's my plans for probably the next year. Keep grinding out YouTube and Twitch as well as trying my hardest in school. And on top of that, No Value, bro, No Value's just gonna take off. Like that's basically it. All right, the next question is, who is my favorite Kardashian? All right, I'm gonna be real. I stopped watching Keeping Up with the Kardashians. So I'm gonna Google the Kardashians real quick. Alright, after 30 seconds of Googling and analyzing all of the Kardashians' pictures, I'm gonna have to go with Khloe Kardashian. Keep in mind, I don't know anything about the Kardashians. Literally, I just did it based off looks. So shout out to Khloe Kardashian. If you're watching this, hit me up. I'm in LA. Let's get it. All right, the last question I'm gonna be answering is, how did you meet that Fortnite streamer? I don't 100% know what Fortnite streamer you're talking about. The only Fortnite streamer I met at COD Champs was Courage. Basically, there was the 100 Thieves match was going on. Me and Nick had walked up to the top of the stadium just to see the view, and we saw Courage was sitting down there. The match ended. Courage walked up the stairs, and me and Nick were already sitting there. So he basically walked past us, and then I said, yo, what's up, Courage? And then he was like, yo, what's up? And then I was like, yo, you want to be in the vlog? He was like, hell yeah. And so I got him in the vlog, and I asked him how many views to play Minecraft with me and Sensor, and he told me 150,000. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I freaking love all of y'all. Make sure you drop a like on this video for more videos like this and more banger videos overall. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, bro. My channel is literally about to blow up in 2019 and 2020. It's gonna be crazy. And if you haven't already, follow me on Instagram and Twitter right here at Matthew_Jackson. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Adios.